Hey guys, Nick from Acton Custom. Haven't done a video for a little while. Let's talk about heat in these superheated little big block powered tiny little cars. Louvers on the side. We all know that that's a signature that came in after Ford got sick of warrantying batteries that were getting cooked underneath the hood of these cars. Comp cars, additional venting. Well, comp cars had the heat shield over the master cylinders to protect them from heat from the side pipes. I'm trying to do this one-handed, so just bear with me. So under the hood, we've copied CSX 3004, which you can see the pictures of on Fantasy Junction. We've laid out some locations of our outrigger on the other side, transferred them through so we can transfer our position. Let's go take a look at the other side and how we're making out with installing. So you can see what I've done here is on the layout, I drill a little hole in the corner. I put a bigger hole somewhere in this thing with a hole saw, and then I start snipping. And these offset jaw snips are pretty decent, and so what I do is I use these to get in there and just keep cutting this till I'm back to my lines. Now what I do is I like to leave some material on there, and then I do a final cut right on the line, which helps a lot with getting exactly the size and shape that you're looking for. But this is in the process of getting trimmed out. And then the last step on this, of course, is to transfer the holes through for rivets through the band, through the frame of this thing and through to the inner fender, sandwich our mesh in there and rivet the assembly together. And so this is a pretty good place to get the heat extracted from the headers, and you've got air circulating off the wheel in the wheel well and all that kind of thing. Makes a little bit of a mess of the inside of the engine bay and the footbox area, but it's worth it to be able to circulate heat from the headers at the hottest part of them, of the exhaust system. These are available, of course, off our website, and we love installing our own products on nice cars like this. Give us a holler if there's any questions.